Hey, what's up everyone? Let's check how you can use Elementor Pro elements for free. So here in this video, I'm going to talk about an alternative to Elementor Pro plugin. So if you are a Elementor user and want to get the Pro element feature, like if you want to add a form or if you want to add custom CSS or all these Pro element features, then you can use that using a simple free open source plugin that is called Pro Elements. So this is a pre-WordPress plugin that enables Pro feature in Elementor page builder with automatic updates. So you don't need a license key to use this plugin, and you can see all the plugins feature. So you will unlock all the automatic updates, all Pro widgets, theme builder, condition, pop-up builder, full site editor, global site editor, and you have the option to add custom CSS, dynamic color content, role manager. And if you see, this is a derivative work from Elementor Pro and it is licensed under the general public license version 3, and it is 100% free and you don't need an activation code to use it. So I will provide the link of this website in the description. So all you have to do is just download the Pro Elements plugin to your computer. So let me install the free version of Elementor plugin first. Alright, let me click on skip setup. Now Elementor is installed. Let's go to pages and let me click on add page, and let's suppose I want to add a contact us page. So let me add contact and let's keep it for now. Let me click on plus, let's add a flex box. And here you can see you have all the free elements unlocked, but if you check the Pro elements, then you can't use it on the Elementor free version. You have to get the Pro version of Elementor Pro, and if you don't have budget, then you can use a plugin like Pro Elements to unlock all these features in your Elementor website. So let's install that. So if you search for form, then this is locked and you can't use it. You need to upgrade it. So the only downside of using the Pro Elements is that you don't have access to your template library. So you will not get template and template kit option, and you will not get official support, but you can unlock all the Pro elements. So if you check the Pro plugin, then it will cost you around $5 per month, and you can save this and using a free alternative like Pro Elements. So let me quickly install the plugin. Let's go back. Let's click on add plugins and let's upload our downloaded plugin, Pro Elements. Now let's install. So this is not a pirated or nulled version. So this is a free plugin you can use on your website. The plugin enables GPL feature for Elementor Pro, and note that the Pro element is not a substitute to Elementor Pro. If you need all the Pro element features, including access to Flow library and dedicated support, then we encourage to purchase the Elementor Pro. So this is a free plugin and you can enable Elementor Pro feature using this plugin. So let's go to pages. Let's click on edit with Elementor and let's check how the Elementor or the Pro Elements plugin works. So if you go to Pro section, then you can now use all the Pro Elements feature. Let's suppose you want to add a form, then you can easily add the form like this. So it is exactly same as the Elementor Pro, and you will get all these options. So you can add all these options like this: MailerLite, MailChimp, ConvertKit, and you have all the steps option. If you go to advanced, then you have the custom CSS option as well. So in Elementor free version, you don't have that option to add custom CSS or all these options, but you can use it for free using the Pro Elements. And here you will have option for floating elements, like you can create different floating elements like floating buttons, floating bars, and you can create pop-ups as well. So let's click on add new, and you can add different type of pop-up elements as well using the Pro Elements feature. So make sure to try out this plugin and let me know how it works on your website. And don't forget to hit the like button and do subscribe our channel for more upcoming tutorials like this.